Welcome to Study Life. In our previous lecture, we studied about John Dalton's theory of an atom. According to his theory, an atom is indestructible. Atom cannot be broken. That was a theory that went on for like 90 years, but in the year 1897, this man, J.J. Thomson, came into picture. He decided, no, it is not always correct. Because he's understood that there are certain concepts like ionization and stuff that proved that there was something inside an atom. It wasn't just a neutral piece, there was something inside. Moreover, electricity was also one more question to everyone. So, a good lot of research, and J.J. Thomson decided to start with the story of an atom. And he came across something very nice, something very important. He discovered electrons. What are electrons? Electrons are negatively charged particles present inside an atom. The charge of an electron, as of now, we know it is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, where coulomb is nothing but the unit of charge. Also, we now know that the mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kilograms. And these results are nothing but a contribution from the theory proposed by Thomson's model. You've always seen a good day biscuit, right? Maybe a good day biscuit or maybe some cakes. Can you see, if there's a biscuit, you will have some puddings on its top surface, right? You can see some, cashews on its surface, or maybe you can see some chocolates on that cookie, right? So that sort of design was proposed by Thomson. This theory, Thomson's model, was also called as Plum pudding model. Because this model looked like a plum and a pudding. Look at how and what the model looks like. This is my theory. This is the model that was proposed by Thomson. According to him, an atom is nothing but a cookie, or you may call it as a plum, and puddings are nothing but the electrons embedded on its surface. Okay? Thomson's model was correct at many places, like it clearly explained thermionic emission, photoelectric effect, and the concepts of ionization. Photoelectric effect, I guess we have studied earlier. Thermionic emission is nothing but the emission of electrons due to heat under certain conditions. Ionization, we know. What is ionization? The removal of electrons from the outermost orbit of an element is called as ionization. And Thomson's model was very much capable of explaining all these three concepts. But there are also concepts that Thomson's model wasn't sufficient about. What were these? These concepts were alpha scattering experiment. What is an alpha scattering experiment? It's our next topic. In the next video, we're going to discuss about alpha scattering experiment. But Thomson's model not only wasn't capable of explaining alpha scattering experiment, but also wasn't able to explain the atomic spectrum of atoms. Atomic spectrum is nothing but the liberation of energy when electromagnetic radiations hit on an atom. A good discovery, a good theory that we are going to learn in the later part of this chapter. But as of now, that was Thomson's model, and we'll be studying about alpha scattering experiment in our next video. So I hope to see you people in our next session, and until then, keep learning with Study Life, and thank you.